Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn income by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing and succeed in this lucrative field. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Understanding affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where affiliates, marketers, promote products or services offered by other companies and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through their referral links. How it works. Affiliate joins a program. The affiliate signs up for an affiliate program offered by a company or network. Affiliate promotes products. The affiliate promotes the company's products using unique tracking links provided by the affiliate program. Customer makes a purchase. A customer clicks on the affiliate's link and makes a purchase on the company's website. Affiliate earns a commission. The affiliate earns a commission for the sale, which is tracked through the unique link. Getting started with affiliate marketing. Choosing your niche. Selecting the right niche is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. Consider the following factors. Interest and passion. Choose a niche that you are passionate about to sustain long-term motivation. Market demand. Ensure there is a demand for products in your chosen niche. Competition. Analyze the competition and identify opportunities to stand out. Researching affiliate programs. Look for reputable affiliate programs that offer products relevant to your niche. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, wide range of products across various categories. CJ Affiliate, Commission Junction, offers a diverse selection of advertisers and products. Share Asale, features numerous merchants with competitive commission rates. ClickBank, specializes in digital products and offers high commission rates. Creating a platform. You need a platform to promote your affiliate links, such as a blog, YouTube channel, or social media profiles. Building your affiliate marketing strategy. Content creation. High-quality content is the cornerstone of affiliate marketing. Focus on creating content that provides value to your audience and naturally incorporates affiliate links. Types of content to consider. Product reviews. Write detailed reviews of products you promote. Tutorials and how-to guides. Create step-by-step guides that feature affiliate products. Comparison posts. Compare different products within your niche to help users make informed decisions. Listicles. Create lists of top products, such as top 10 gadgets for home office. SEO and keyword research. Search engine optimization, SEO, is vital for driving organic traffic to your content. Steps to optimize your content. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, RFs, or SEMrush to find relevant keywords. On-page SEO. Optimize your content with targeted keywords in titles, headers, and throughout the text. Quality backlinks. Build backlinks from reputable websites to increase your site's authority. Social media marketing. Promote your affiliate content on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Tips for social media marketing. Engaging content. Share engaging posts, stories, and videos that include affiliate links. Consistent posting. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Influencer collaborations. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your content. Email marketing. Building an email list allows you to promote affiliate products directly to subscribers. Steps to get started. Create a lead magnet. Offer something valuable for free, e.g., an ebook, in exchange for email signups. Send regular newsletters. Include affiliate links in your newsletters and provide value to your subscribers. Choosing the right affiliate programs. Types of affiliate programs. There are various types of affiliate programs, each with its own commission structures and benefits. Pay-per-sale. Earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Pay-per-lead. Earn a commission for each lead generated, such as a sign-up or form submission. Pay-per-click. Earn a commission for each click on your affiliate link, regardless of a sale. Evaluating affiliate programs. When choosing affiliate programs, consider the following factors. Commission rates. Higher commission rates can significantly impact your earnings. Cookie duration. Longer cookie durations increase the likelihood of earning a commission. Product relevance. Ensure the products align with your niche and audience. Payment terms. Understand the payment methods and frequency of payouts. Promoting affiliate products. Writing reviews and tutorials. Detailed reviews and tutorials can help build trust with your audience. Tips for effective reviews. Honesty and transparency. Provide an honest assessment of the product, highlighting both pros and cons. Personal experience. Share your personal experience and results with the product. Call to action. Include a clear call to action with your affiliate link, encouraging readers to make a purchase. Creating comparison posts. Comparison posts help readers choose between multiple products. Structure your comparisons as follows. Feature comparison. List key features and specifications of each product. Pros and cons. Highlight the advantages and disadvantages of each option. Recommendation. Provide your recommendation based on specific use cases. Leveraging video content. Video content can be highly engaging and effective for affiliate marketing. Types of video content to create. Unboxing and reviews. Create unboxing videos and in-depth reviews of affiliate products. How-to videos. Demonstrate how to use a product or solve a problem with it. Product comparisons. Produce comparison videos to help viewers choose the right product. Maximizing your earnings. Understanding commission structures. Different affiliate programs offer various commission structures. Understanding these can help you maximize earnings. Flat rate commissions. Earn a fixed amount per sale. Percentage commissions. Earn a percentage of the sale amount. Tiered commissions. Earn higher commissions based on performance thresholds. Tracking and analyzing performance. Use analytics tools to monitor your affiliate marketing efforts. Key metrics to track include click-through rate, center, the percentage of people who click on your affiliate links. Conversion rate, the percentage of clicks that result in a sale or desired action. Earnings per click, EPC, the average earnings for each click on your affiliate links. Return on investment, ROI, measure the profitability of your marketing efforts. Optimizing your strategy. Continually optimize your strategy based on performance data. Steps to optimize. Content quality. Improve the quality and relevance of your content. Keyword optimization. Update your SEO strategy based on keyword performance. Audience engagement. Enhance your engagement strategies on social media and email. Legal and ethical considerations. Disclosing affiliate links. Transparency is crucial in affiliate marketing. Always disclose your affiliate relationships. FTC guidelines. Follow the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, guidelines on disclosures. Clear language. Use clear and concise language to inform readers about affiliate links. Consistent disclosure. Include disclosures on all platforms, including blogs, social media, and videos. Complying with FTC guidelines. FTC guidelines ensure ethical marketing practices. Clear and conspicuous disclosures. Ensure that affiliate disclosures are easy to read and understand. Timing. Disclose affiliate relationships before any links or promotional content. Honesty. Be truthful in your reviews and representations of affiliate products. Tools and resources for affiliate marketers. Affiliate marketing networks. Affiliate networks connect affiliates with merchants. Some popular networks include Amazon Associates. Offers a vast range of products across various categories. CJ Affiliate. Provides a wide selection of advertisers and competitive commission rates. Share Asale. Features numerous merchants and various commission structures. ClickBank. Specializes in digital products and offers high commissions. Analytics and tracking tools. These tools help you track and analyze your affiliate marketing performance. Google Analytics. provides insights into your website traffic and user behavior. SEMrush offers SEO tools to optimize your content and track keyword performance. Ahrefs helps with backlink analysis and competitor research. ClickMeter tracks clicks and conversions for your affiliate links. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.